Car stuff with Herbert and Uncle Lads. Today we're changing the oil. Okay, first we get our toolbox, then we get our oil can, then we drive over the oil can and get oil everywhere. Then we get our gloves and our manual and we throw that in the bin, because to be a real man you don't need that. Gloves, bin. Gloves, bin. Because to be a real man you don't need that. Then open the bonnet. Then you take the oil cap off. Yeah, twist it. Man job. Then you drain the oil.
Oh, Daddy, you've got it all over your hand.
Yep, that's a man thing to do. Oil everywhere. Then you take the oil filter off. You usually have to swear in it. Oil everywhere. Like a real man.
Yeah.
Man's work. Oil filter on the engine.
Careful you don't drop it in.
Careful you don't drop it in the oil. That's a woman's touch. Screw it up. And then you put the plug in the bottom of the engine. Man's work. You fill it up with oil. Like a real man. Man's work.